Hi guys, gagawa tayo ngayon ng salad. Ayan ang ating cucumber salad guys. Ayan, nahiwa-hiwa ko na yung cucumber natin o yung pipino. Pati yung sibuyas. Ayan. Ating onions. Ayan yung sauce ko guys. Ang ginamit ko dyan is yung yogurt. A little bit mayonnaise. Nilagyan ko siya ng salt. Pepper, ayan, lemon, at saka vinegar guys. Ayan siya, ang ating salad for today. Ayan, halo-haluin lang natin. Yummy yummy ang ating salad for today. Yummy. Ayan guys, done na. Palalamigin lang natin, lalagay natin sa ref. Thank you for watching. Bye!